Shiraj Jagati wrote this article here. You don't own me. XRP price surges, defies SEC's clampdown on crypto. Since the start of April, the surge in XRP has been backed by high tweet volumes, which approach relative highs. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we cover all of the crypto headlines. We surf the crypto markets and we surf the world. So today we have some great news for XRP. XRP Army. I know you guys are with me. So great news. We have some positive articles coming out for XRP today. We're going to go ahead and cover one in this video here. So what we'll do in this video, we're going to go ahead and go over the article for XRP that just came out. We're then going to go over the charts. We'll look at the live charts for XRP, the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour chart, so we can see what the price is doing today, get an idea of where it's going. And then we'll also look at the CoinMarkets Pro score so we can determine what is going on for the whole, basically the health of XRP. It brings everything together and we'll see what that score is. So that way you can have a better idea of where XRP is going in the future. So stay with me till the end so you can see that. Also, we have the Cinco de Mayo contest going on. We are currently going for 5,000 subscribers on the channel by Cinco de Mayo, May 5th. If we have 5,000 subscribers by May 5th, we will be giving out $100 in Bitcoin, $100 in fiat, and Ledger Nano X or a Wavestorm surfboard. It is your choice. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, every comment that you put down on the bottom gives you an extra entry into the contest. So here we go. After the United States Securities and Exchange Commission initiated a lawsuit against Ripple, alleging that the firm had been indulging in the sale of securities worth $1.3 billion, a number of prominent exchanges across the globe, including Coinbase, Kraken, OKCoin, proceeded to delist Ripple's native cryptocurrency XRP from their platforms. And as you guys know, relist XRP has been a very popular hashtag going around for XRP. As a result, many across the globe thought it was just a matter of time before the once promising project died a slow but sure death. However, it seems that XRP has been on a tear since the bad news dropped, with the cryptocurrency's value have risen over 100% since the start of April, currently trading around $1.03. And if you guys are all aware, right after that lawsuit came out, XRP dropped all the way to 17 cents. So it's been up even more than that. But back in December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse and chairman Christian Larson, alleging that they had participated in an unlicensed security offering back in August of 2013. Not only that, the government body further accused Garlinghouse and Larson of failing to register their personal XRP sales, estimated to be worth $600 million, with the regulatory body. In turn, Ripple's defense counsel had challenged SEC's suit, stating that XRP token is similar to other prominent cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, both of which have been classified as commodities by the SEC. Furthermore, Ripple's legal team has also highlighted the fact that it took the commission more than 8 years to file its complaint. So what has actually caused XRP's price surge? Jose Maria Mercado, a partner at cryptocurrency analysis firm Delphi Digital, told Cointelegraph that in his view, this latest monetary upswing comes alongside a broader rise in other old-timer altcoins such as EOS and Stellar XLM, and a reduction in BTC's overall market dominance. He added that XRP's performance can most likely be attributed to positive news surrounding Ripple's SEC case, particular as it relates to its win in a recent discovery hearing, which will force the SEC to hand over its internal documents on Bitcoin and Ether. Macedo opined this is a victory for Ripple for the crypto space as a whole, as these documents will hopefully help shed light on the SEC's rationale regarding tokens as a whole. You either love it or you hate it. XRP has been one of the most divisive cryptocurrencies in the crypto community for years, and its recent track record was beginning to prove its detractors right. However, the currency's recent ascent has been nothing short of meteoric. Providing his take on the subject, Shiraz Ahmed, host of the Crypto Valley Association podcast and managing partner at Storm Partners, a crypto and blockchain solution provider, told Cointelegraph, XRP's upward momentum is fueled by Ripple's newly announced 40% stake in Asia's leading cross-border payment processor, Tranglo. The partnership will undoubtedly increase Ripple's exposure to the Asian market. Its price rally can also be attributed to a potentially looming ease in regulation should Ripple reach a consensus with the incoming Gary Gensler-led SEC administration. He pointed out that Ripple co-founder Brad Garlinghouse had earlier expressed optimism in the new cabinet, stating that his team plans to hold progressive discussions with the SEC executive brass. According to him, Ripple has continued to prove that its potential is limitless, especially when operating within a crypto-friendly setting. Lastly, Garlinghouse has previously lambasted the US regulators for lacking clarity after drawing comparisons with other advanced countries where Ripple has thrived in the past. His assertions seem to hold water, considering that the regulatory framework in many parts of Asia and the Middle East has spurred Ripple's growth. Exchanges may reconsider their decision to delist the coin in the coming weeks, Ahmed concluded. XRP gained social media traction again. Justin Barlow, a research analyst at the TIE, a provider of alternative data for digital assets, told Crypto Cointelegraph that following Ripple's acquisition of the 40% stake in Tranglo, the company saw an immediate spike in its price and tweet volume. Here you can see the price and tweet volume. Price is in the gold, tweet volume is in the green. As can be seen from the chart above, digital mention in relation to XRP has been picking up alongside the cryptocurrency's price over the last week, with tweet volumes hitting a new monthly high as well, Barlow added. Ripple is likely seeing interest overseas as it remains listed on international exchanges and has not yet been subject to the same regulatory scrutiny overseas that it has in the US. I'm not an attorney, but I don't think the US exchange will relist XRP if the SEC asserts it is a security due to the potential regulatory implication. One thing to note is that Asian and Middle Eastern crypto markets don't yet have a huge regulatory setup that establishes the rule of the game like SEC. On the one hand, this sort of framework allows new promising projects to feel comfortable and develop faster. But on the other hand, it also sometimes results in the springing up of many scams. Thus, it stands to reason that while trading platforms that are directly affiliated with the SEC may not get involved with XRP by actively opposing and contradicting the commission's wishes, non-affiliated platforms may once again begin to list Ripple, especially if it continues to showcase such a high level of monetary traction in the near future. What lies ahead for XRP and crypto? Slowly but surely, it appears as though cryptocurrencies are proving to be more resilient when it comes to any form of governmental pressure that may be placed on them, as is best highlighted by XRP's most recent rebound. On the subject, Cage Chen, Chief Technical Officer of decentralized cross-chain asset management platform Cook Finance, told Cointelegraph, some countries face massive currency crushing inflation. Some countries have incredibly low annualized average incomes, and some countries are dominated by government intervention and observation. If a cryptocurrency is readily available, financially sound, and shows optimistic future projections, people will turn to it as a replacement financial instrument to fiat currencies. In regard to where XRP might be heading in the near term price-wise, Thomas Menard, Development Director at Diablo.io, a social crypto trading platform, believes that the digital asset market at large is able to keep up its performance. The industry might be in for big things, adding, if altcoins continue their momentum, XRP's upward movement could take it to several dollars per unit and thus catch up with the market. However, with regulators all over the world taking stronger stances against various digital assets, it stands to reason that an onslaught of bad news in relation to some currencies for an extended period of time could potentially have an adverse impact on their image and ability to operate, to the point where even their diehard army of supporters may not be enough to save the day. All right, so here we have XRP USD on the daily. And as you can see, it did just a couple of days ago, as we all know, ran up to $1, $1.10, $1.11 on the tip top of the previous high. It then had a day of complete rundown. In fact, it was a full engulfing candle, came down. Even the wick came all the way down here. But the wick on this candle, both lead to show that this may be becoming the new support. So let's go ahead and draw our new horizontal line of support here at 91 cents, right? So in that area, 90 to 91 cents seems to be the new support. Today on our candlestick, there's 5 hours and 45 minutes left. It has come all the way down to the 50% level of the previous day's candle, and it's now making a move up. So if this could move all the way up and even surpass the previous candle, that would be a nice move. So we can get it to close above $1.12. That would be fantastic for XRP. So whether that happens today or tomorrow, it's yet to be seen. The RSI is sitting right at 70, which is great because it's not going below 70 and it's not way up at 85, 90 where it's going to sell off. So that's a really, really good sign. We also have the EMA ribbon is also in an uptrend for sure on the daily. Let's look at a little smaller time frame of the 4 hour. All right, great. So here we have the 4 hour. And as you can see, the price ran up, came back down. It actually touched right here on the 20. So that is actually the 22 on the EMA ribbon that we have running right now. That is the 22 EMA, the first line, and tapped off that, and it's slowly growing. So the good thing is the EMAs are moving up, which is very, very positive, but it's also the price is not super far away from the EMA. So you can see what happens. If it launches off and gets really far away from the moving average, it'll always suck back down. The moving averages are like a magnet for price, and they're going to tap that. The one thing we don't want to see is it break down below it, and it's not looking like that at all. So on the daily, it's definitely in a good spot. On the 4 hour, now let's look at the 1 hour as well. So as you can see, the 1 hour had a nice spread, and you can see where the ribbons get a little tighter. And then that is where you get a little bit worried. Is it going to start to drop below? But as you can see, it was running right on our 90, 91 cent new support level. And it's been tapping, lots of support there. And it's finally starting to grow away from that support in a positive way. So looking good for XRP on the charts. Let's go take a look at the CoinMarketPro score. All right, so here we have the XRP coin market score. This is the Vortex score of 65. It is up 4%, basically 5% price-wise today. Market cap is up 4%. Volume is up 50%. So that's $11 billion flowing to XRP. Tweet volume up 50%, also very, very positive. So the score seems to be going up. In fact, let's look at the daily score. The daily was a little bit lower, right? It went all the way down to 60, 59 even on April 9th. And now it is climbing up. It went into the green of 65. And usually when it goes from orange to green, that is good sign for things to come. So keep an eye on that. As you can see here, the last 7 days, 70% increase. This month, 119% increase. Everything's looking really, really positive for XRP right now. So congratulations to the XRP army. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.